Okay, my parts are finally on their way here. The delivery driver called. He said he's like 25 minutes out. So we've had a big snowstorm and got everything crammed in here. So I gotta move some stuff around, and that way I could bring this pallet in and start going through it. So let me move some cars around, and then I can get ready to bring this pallet in. I'm excited because this should hopefully be all the parts I need to get the bus straightened out and looking really good. All right, these are the parts I got from BBT. I got a complete nose, the complete left rear section with the inside structure, the tray that goes inside the left corner. This piece goes above the driver's door. That's the inside piece for this. Rain gutter. More sections of the rain gutter. And then the rain gutter over the left rear corner. The hinge carrier for the rear hatch. So I'm pretty excited. Hopefully these are all the main components, the big pieces I need to get my bus back straightened out. So it's pretty exciting. Okay, the reason I ordered a whole new left rear corner is this corner and the inside structure is crooked. And as I fit new pieces on this bus on the back half, I've been able to find these problem areas with the original side. If you haven't watched the previous videos of this bus was wrecked twice in the 90s. So go check that out, and I talk a little bit more about that, of what happened with the bus. But basically the bus was hit twice in the back, and also rolled over. So this rear corner has been through a lot. It was rolled over on the side, which caused this side to smash in, but it also took an impact from the passenger side, which smashed that corner and kicked everything over a little bit. So basically, this main structure piece that's welded to the inside of the corner is really tweaked. It was pushed in and over, and this whole bottom half was in. And I've decided to just replace it with new parts from BBT. I mean, these are great replacement panels. And I'll just cut back to the original flange, and it gets welded on just like it did from the factory. And everything in the back half will be replaced and with straight new pieces. So I'm pretty excited. If I can get the back half straightened, then I can just continue working forward. So that's the plan. So that's what I want to do today is I want to start replacing this panel. So let's do it. All right, let's cut this thing. Kind of bummed because I didn't really want to have to cut this off, but it's crooked. So let's make it right. All right, I'm gonna cut along here, down here. All right, I think I'm just gonna cut above this. I wanna reuse this piece, and if I can not have to take it off here, that'd be the way to go. So I'm gonna cut above it and then just work my way and get these pieces off it, but get the bulk of this out of the way. All right, I got the old roof rain gutter section out, and the new one, just like the factory, it has this flange. It's got a joggle, so it goes in between the two skins. So I'll have to try to get that out. And then here's where the other seam is. So I just cut it short to start getting the old one out, but now I'll take some time and get that section out. You see that's where this will go on the inside of that. And then for the bottom, because that was all boxed, it was hard to, I couldn't just get a drill and drill these welds out. So I cut back as much as I could and then just started grinding away. So I still have a little bit left to grind to get the old skin out, and then that will be good. All right, so I gotta do a little cleanup and de-rusting and straighten a little bit of this out. It's gonna take some time and get little pieces of the roof, the rain gutter out of here. So just for fun, let's hold this up and see what it looks like. Yeah, that's gonna be awesome. I can't get it to sit flush because I still have little pieces here and I don't want to rush it. I gotta clean that out. So, all right, I think we'll end this video here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.